Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 320 Vantage, one of our best sellers here. I'm going to show you some of the major features on it, but this is a white hull. It's a super. You got the extra trim tabs on here that make it ride exceptionally well. It's powered by the Mercury 300s on the back, plenty of horsepower. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you're just out for a little cruise, a little sunset, go to the beach. You got a very comfortable fold-down seat. 3 to 4 adults very comfortably here. If you're going to be throwing the line over the back, all you're going to do, pick it up. Got a nice leaning post in the back, plenty of room. Got opposing seating here with a table that comes out. And as we move over to the starboard side, we've got a very big feature for this boat. You've got the really nice heavy-duty dive door. It's got a ladder that attaches, very safe getting in and out of the boat through the water. And also when you're boarding from a dock, it's the same level as a dock. So it's an easy step on, easy step off versus the back of the boat. So really nice feature with the dive door. It also has a very safe handle to pull yourself in the boat. So really nice. We've got a station over here. You've got a live well. It doubles very nicely as a cooler, self-draining. And so it's a prep area here. So here we are at the helm, 2 touchscreen Raymarine. So you've got a backup in here if you need it. You've got the Mercury SmartCraft with all your gauges and temperatures and fuel burns and all that. Digital throttle and shift. And then you've got the joystick. The joystick does everything. Boat goes sideways, any direction you want. You have full control of it. You also have a sky hook, locks me in a position. I'll point the boat at the sunset. It'll lock me right into position, and then you can sit on the lounges up front, very comfortably enjoying the sunset. When you're done, take it off and you head home. Also, it's got the autopilot, very easy, just point and shoot on the autopilot, so just a great feature on this boat. Another nice feature that they did on the 32 was you get the reversible seating, so you can have it facing forward or facing back, and you have a table that goes right in here, so you can have 4 people very comfortably right in here. And then you have the room that you can actually get out of the weather if you needed to. This will fold down into a bed, so 2 people could lay down there for a nap if you wanted. So just a nice place to get out of the weather if you needed to get out of it. And then we've got the head. Really good size. Has a skylight in it for extra light, and but very good size in there. So it's got a shower, so you can rinse yourself off with hot and cold water. Very nice feature on it. And then the bow, big lounges up on the front. So you've got a double lounger here and a single here with armrests on it. Places for your phones and drink holders and stereo. And in the bow, you have your windlass. And you also have the ladder. The ladder will actually deploy off the bow of the boat. So as you can pull right up onto the beach. You can step right down onto the sand without getting in the water. You can rinse your feet off when you get back on to keep the sand from coming in. Just a really nice feature. So you've got a large hard top with the sure shade on the back, which gives you full shade in the back. The boat does everything very, very well. That's why it's one of our better sellers. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.